You go to the streets. You have to be out. You have to be in the streets. And then in the knowledge I have, it would be easy because the knowledge I have is that number one, you can't sell a dream looking like a nightmare. Okay, and you have to look like what you're trying to attract. Okay, so when you look like what you're trying to attract, then it starts to happen. The law of attraction starts to kick in. Second of all, starting from scratch with if I had to start from scratch with a kind of company I'm in now, health and wellness company, I would make sure I look good. I mean, physically, I would represent the company well. I would look like the epitome of health. And I would understand that sampling the products is big. In today's society, I would make sure that I was product heavy and I would focus more on retailing than I would recruiting. Because here's the deal, people come and go. The people that you sponsor, that you recruit, 70% of them will never even start. Okay, and the other 30, they'll get pissed with you or seek other opportunities and they'll leave you. But if you have great products, your customers will stay with you forever.